What's going on, everybody? So, like I said, I'm going to be replacing my 3D audio earphones on the PS5 because when I was gaming, I noticed that these things really need to be replaced um, just from wear and tear since launch day. Look what's going on. It's coming loose. The fabric, this is exposed. Um, the leather is actually coming right off of it. If you can see that in the light. You can see it's coming right off. See, that's what the leather used to look like. That's what it looks like after it peels off. So, these have needed an upgrade for a while. So, here's the upgrade right here. It came from Amazon. Right? We're going to get out our toolkit for stuff like this, like we did with the PS5. This is a toolkit we operated on the PS5 with. It's got everything you pretty much need, you know. That's what I use. But for this, we're just going to need this. It also came with it. It looks like a guitar pick. This looks like it's already almost off, but you want to just go like this in between. There's a line right here. Let me bring you over into the light for a second. Okay. Now, one sec. You know what? Check this out. Okay. There we go. There we go, guys. So this line right here, as you can see, you want to go in between this line when you're popping it off. Okay, so I already did that here. You want to pop it right here, and then turn it, and pop it again. There's 4 sides to this, so there it goes. There's one of them completely off. There's what one of them looks like completely off. That's the old one that came on the PS5 3D audio headset when I first got it at launch day. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That is crazy. I'm just gonna get like a little cloth to wipe up all this glue and crap on the inside. Ugh. That is crazy. Any glue? Little pieces of glue and stuff on the headset. Okay. Took away all that crap. Okay, so now let's get down to business. This is kind of yuck. I'll stick the yucky stuff right here. Bag of this is new. Get rid of the old. New ones. Now it should say left and right on it. This one says left. There would be an L right here, guys. Right there. See it. And this one will have a R on it, obviously for right. See it right here. My fingers. Right there. See? Okay, now these are brand new padding. Nice. That's nice. I like that for my ears. Because, when you're gaming, you get this little black stuff that comes off on your ears. It's gross. See? So anyway, I'm going to be taking all that guck, putting it in this little bag that the new earphones came in. I'll put the old yucky ones in here. Oh, my garbage. So there's one of them off. Now we're gonna, might as well pop the second one off before we put them on. So let's pop the second one off. 1, 2, flip it over. Flip it over. 3. Oh, came right off. Alright. That's the old one. It was coming off on this one too. Not as bad, but look at it. It's pretty bad, terrible. Like you can see the foam. All the leather's peeling off. All the fake leather. There we have it. That's the second earphone off. Put that also in the bag here. That's exactly how the other ones came. So it doesn't make a big mess. There we go. Now, I just wanted to clean these up a little bit before I actually put the other things on. Okay. Let's dry glue. It was there before. Factory stuff. Whoa, dude, I might need my. Okay, never mind. I was gonna say I might need my I just took this huge thing off. I was gonna say I might need my little tweezers. Little operating tweezers. Make sure I get all the yucky stuff off. Oh, yeah. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna need to get this cloth, and I'm gonna get this cloth right here for electronics, and I have electronic cleaner spray stuff. Where is it? Oh, there it is. This stuff right here, strictly for electronics. It says it's for plasma televisions, any kind of big screens, laptops, video, camcorders, MP3, MP4 players, GPS products, car televisions, projectors, digital camera, DLP televisions, LCD televisions, tablets, e-readers, earphones, spray cloth and wipe away dust and dirt. So that's, yeah, you want a microfiber cloth or one of these for electronics. You want to give this a little wipe. Just because they've been so yucky for a while. For glue, I'm gonna give them a wipe down. Okay, you want to make sure the yucky stuff that you're wiping off doesn't get in. inside or anything. Okay. That over, so whacking it on the table. Okay, that's polishing up real nice. There we go. Nice and polished. Another spray on the other side. Might as well get the outside of it. Okay. And another side. Alright. It's looking nice and polished. This side wasn't as bad. Okay. There we go. Nice and clean. Check that out. Nice and shiny. Both sides. Okay, so now I'm going to put the right on the right. I know the one where you turn it on is on the left, so this is going to be the right earphone right here. Get that on there. So when you put it on, there's 4 little latches, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. You want to put it on, okay, like this. Line them. You don't want to line them up together. You want to line them up opposite, and then put it on and snap it in a little bit. And push down on it. Okay? You want to push down on it to make sure it's in. And there. It's in nice and snug. So that's the new ear pad. Because there was nothing wrong with the electronic part of it. It was just the ear pad. The ear pads were falling apart from sweat from when you're gaming with the ears, or when you're listening, watching movies. You start sweating with your ears or whatever. Or your head. Next thing you know, it wrecks the pleather, and next thing you know, it's coming loose, and your foam is exposed and whatever. So yeah, here's the second side, second one. Remember, the inside's got 4 little prongs that you want to line up opposite of the ones on the hardware, on the actual gaming headset, 3D audio headset, PS5. And then once it's on there, click it in, push down to make sure it's on all sides. There we go. And it's on. Just like that. So I'll switch you back over to where we were at the beginning of the video. And I'll show you exactly what it looks like now. I'm going to give you a good little view. sick. Nice. Nice. Check that out, guys. Beauty. Nice, brand new. Looks brand new again, like day one. Isn't that cool? That's cool. Smash the like. Plenty more videos on the way, guys. Some more prison content coming very soon. Next couple of videos will be some prison content. I'm going to be talking about drugs and talking about prison.